Hello students, my name is Santosh Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss very short types question answer from History chapter 3, which is Delhi Sultan. These all question which is very helpful for understanding your this chapter. So let's start. Question number 1, which is which ruler first established his or her capital at Delhi? Answer: the Tomar Rajput were the first ruler who established their capital at Delhi. Now, question number 2, what was the language of administration under the Delhi Sultan? Answer: it was Persian language of administration under the Delhi Sultans. Now question number 3, in whose reign did the Sultanate reach its farthest extent? Answer: the Sultanate reached its farthest extent during the reign of Muhammad Tughlaq. Question number 4, from which country did Ibn Battuta travel to India? Answer: Ibn Battuta belonged to Morocco, Africa, and traveled to India. Now, question number 5. Why did the authors of Tariq write their histories for sultans? Answer: they did so in the hope of rich reward. Question number 6. Why was Razia removed from the throne? Answer: being a woman ruler, she was not favored by anyone. She ruled just for 4 years and was finally dethroned in 1240. Now, question number 6. What is a mosque called in Arabic? Answer: it is called a masjid. Okay. Now, question number 8. What is the literal meaning of mosque? Answer: it refers to a place where a Muslim prostrates in reverence to Allah. Now, question number 9. What is called the Qibla? Answer: the direction towards which Muslims turn while offering prayer or namaz is called Qibla. Now, question number 10. Why did the early Delhi Sultans favor their slaves? The slaves were totally dependent on their master. Therefore, the Sultan could trust and rely upon them. Question number 11. What was the duty of muktis? Answer: the duty of muktis was to lead military campaigning and maintain law and order in their iqtas. Question number 12. Why were accountants appointed by the state? Answer: they were appointed to check the amount of revenue collected by the muktis. Okay. Now, question number 13. Why did authors of Persian Tariq criticize the Delhi Sultans? Answer. They did not like the Sultan's policy of appointing the low and base born to high offices. Now, question number 14. Name the three types of taxes is collected during the Sultanate period. Answer. Tax on cultivation called kharsi and amounting to about 50% of peasants' yield. Number 2, tax on cattle, and number 3, tax on houses is. Question number 15. For how many years the Suri dynasty ruled? You have answered. The Suri dynasty ruled for only 15 years. So these are the 15 question from 15 question very short types question answer from the Delhi Sultans. Next video we will discuss short types question answer from this chapter. Thank you.